Hey everybody, it's Christina Daves with your Get Famous Friday PR tip. This week I want to talk about starting local. Yes, we all want to be on CNN, The Today Show, Good Morning America, The Steve Harvey Show, one of these big national media outlets. But it's really important to start local. First of all, local is the easiest way to get media exposure. Local business or local media loves to cover local business. You also want to get your feet wet a little bit. Get on local television before you even think about pitching a national show. First of all, they're going to be reluctant to put you on if you don't have any prior television experience. And do you really want to test the waters with something that big? What if you get nervous, or what if you fumble through some things? You really want to do that at the local level and really perfect what you're doing so that when you go nationally, you're just a rock star and you're ready to have them invite you back over and over again. So I'd love to hear how this goes. And if you like this and you want to learn more, please join the PR Challenge at www.yourprchallenge.com. Give me 10 minutes a day for 10 days and I will get you more visible. So I hope to see you there. See you on the inside.